Mr. Somebody sets off today for a business trip. What will now happen could have turned Mr. Somebody into a very bad mood if suddenly the name of Reparbrise had not come to his mind. The technician, approved by Reparbrise, will proceed with the repair. He applies light pressure on the impact from inside the vehicle to verify that there is The purpose of the carbide pen is to withdraw the microparticles of glass left over when the impact took place, taking care to scrape only at the entry of the point of impact. The adherence of the material is assisted by suction jelly. The mirror thus placed allows a perfect visualization of the impact and is used as a guide during repair. The injection bridge is used as a support for the resin, following the curve of the windshield. To facilitate work, the tightening lever guarantees perfect fixing on the pane. The roller lever makes it possible to visualize the evolution of the repair without removing the bridge. Finally, the butterfly screw is adjusted until stability of the three legs of the satellite is obtained on the pane. The resin bag includes resin for injection, a piston, and an injector. The injector is screwed onto the satellite of the injection bridge until obtention of flexible sealing on the pane. The long probe ensures perfect centering of the injector on the point of impact. Be careful. Keep the resin away from ultraviolet light. It should systematically be put back into its original packaging. The piston is then screwed into the cylinder and the resin is pressurized, and so the resin penetrates the impact. This injection resin is approved by the relevant safety requirements. While unscrewing the piston, the particles of air still contained at the bottom of the impact will rise towards the cylinder by depression. This operation is repeated until a perfect result is obtained without presence of air. Having removed the injection bridge, the resin of completion is deposited and spread under a plastic plate. This makes it possible to fill in the missing glass on the surface and to guarantee the behavior of repair over time. It is necessary that the ring formed by the resin covers fully the point of impact and does not contain any air bubbles. The ultraviolet lamp is then needed, the principle being based on hardening by polymerization. Leave to dry for at least 15 minutes. The technician removes the plastic square and scraps of the surplus of resin, taking care to scrape perpendicularly to the windshield. Then comes polishing, the last phase of the repair. A repair which is fully reimbursed by most insurance companies. Insist on Reparbrise for your safety.